Hello, guys. This is News Listener by Angelo, and today is June 12, 2025. Hindi ako nakapag-record kaninang umaga kasi nag-hang yung aking computer. So far, okay naman ngayong gabi. So thank you po and welcome to my YouTube channel. If hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to support this channel. Salamat po. Pag-usapan naman natin yung nangyari sagutan between Senator Risa at Senator Amy. At sino talaga yung punot dulo na nagsabi ng point of order? Okay. Okay, but before that, okay, panoorin natin yung video galing sa 1PH, okay? Yung sagutan between them, okay?
Speech of the good gentleman from Davao, I move that any interpellation or any action, any seconding speech on the privileged speech be suspended momentarily after his speech to allow us to take our oath, which was the subject of the approved motion yesterday, and again, which was the subject of the approved motion yesterday, which is an offshoot of a
Okay, so bale, napag-usapan nila before that day, meron silang agreement between majority and minority na take oath muna bilang isang senator judge bago sila mag-privilege speech, okay? At ang nangyari, kasi si Bato, atat na atat, gustong ipa-dismiss, mag-motion agad to dismiss the impeachment case. For everyone's information, hindi pwede po mag-dismiss, mag-motion to dismiss ang isang senator judge. Ang tawag dyan is ang biased. Okay? They can only convict or acquit ang impeachable officer. Okay?
question of privilege, which takes precedence over all motions. So I restate my motion, Mr. President, to momentarily suspend any action, whether interpellation or seconding speech, on the privileged speech of the good gentleman from Davao para sa wakas bigyang daan yung inaprubahan nating motion kahapon na manumpa na po kaming
O, yan na. Nagpo-point order na siya. Kung naririnig nyo sa background, si Joel yung nagsasabing point of order. Tinuturo niya kino-coach niya si Amy Marcos. Okay, and for everyone's information, ang tagal na ni Amy Marcos sa Senado. Kino-coach pa siya ni Joel.
Point of order. I have the floor, Mr.
Point of
President.
order.
I have the floor, Mr. President,
A point
to
of
make
order,
way
Mr. President.
for
Session-
taking of the
session
oath
is
before the
suspended.
presiding officer.
O yun. So behind the scene, panoorin natin yung isang video from, actually nagkakalat to sa social media. So kung anong sinabi ni Joel habang si Risa Ontiveros ay nagsasalita sa podium. Okay? So let's watch another video.
Inaprubahan natin motion.
Klaro.
Point of order, Mr. President. I have the floor, Mr. President. I have the floor, Mr. President.
Kuha ng Bilyonaryo News Channel ang ngayoy
Yun, okay? So, 'di ba? Okay, parang pinalabas ni Joel dito gusto niyang kinoach niya si Amy Marcos para i-interrupt si Senator Risa sa time niya. Okay? Nasa floor daw siya So, parang bastos, 'di ba? Okay? Si Joel Villanueva yung religion niya ata is nakalimutan ko na pero hindi pareho ng um, Roman Catholic. Okay? At parang syempre parang bastusan, 'di ba? What's what I check online, okay? Okay ba mag-point of order while someone is speaking? Okay? Ang sabi sa online, yes, pwedeng mag-point of order ang isang senador while ang isang senador ay nag-speech. Okay? The reason is allowed doon sa rules of the Senate. Okay? Pero you are only allowed to do it if if you have a question, if you think na merong problema or merong bina-violate yung sinasabing speech ng isang senador. Okay? Uh, but you cannot interrupt another senator without his consent. Okay? And obtain such consent, he shall first address the Senate President. Kung nakikita nyo, ang nangyari, sinuspend lang ni Cheese Escudero. Okay? Pero, ang dapat gawin ni Cheese Escudero, i-acknowledge muna yung point of order kung valid ba to o hindi. Ang ginawa niya lang, sinuspend niya lang. Kaya nga, ang gulo-gulo ng Senado kasi, parang okay lang kay Cheese na i-suspend na lang, 'di ba? Puro drama na lang ang nangyayari sa Senado. At si Joel Villanueva, parang gusto niya lang i-interrupt para ma ma-distract si Senator Risa ginamit niya pa si Amy Marcos. Okay? So 'yon. It's technically allowed but inappropriate yung ginawa nila, 'di ba? Wala namang problema eh. She has the floor. O bakit mo kailangan i-disrupt, 'di ba? 'Yun. 'Yun ang opinion ko. So thank you guys for listening, and this is News Listener by Angelo. If you like, you can comment and subscribe to this channel. Okay? Salamat po. See you next time.